and currently a grade 12 science student at the Sir Rizal Memorial State University, Kalibunan campus. During her childhood, she was thrown and almost lost her life, but thanks God, she was saved. She joined the SPC and it helped her grow as a person from their own belief. What doesn't kill you make you stronger, a line from Kelly Clarkson. She advocates helping teenagers to raise their confidence and educate them about the power of affirmation. Once again, candidate number 4, Miss Dana Faye